Chriso. What I'm doing here for a bit of a change from bathrooms is a back patio. So it's been originally tiled, and then the landscaper has brought the concrete up to the same height as the tile, so I'll be going straight over it. What I'm going to be doing is starting at the post there. So here I'll cut a construction joint because I'll lay it as a full tile and then cut it in once I've laid it the next day, and then I silicone it. It'll be the width of a saw blade. It doesn't need to be a huge construction joint, but if the concrete's going to move a little, that's where it'll move from the old slab. Here I'm going to have a cut of about 290, so which is cool. I can get 2 cuts out of one tile. There's stuff all waste. There's going to be a little bit of jigging around here with the fence, but it's not going to be too bad. It's all good. So I'll just set myself up a little bit more and come back to you.